Online shopping is addictive because you have easy access to all the things you could ever want 24 hours, 7 days a week, 52 weeks out of the year. But when you are deep diving and you find something good, it makes it all worth it. I found the Fanttik X-H1 3.7 volt mini electric screwdriver on Amazon, and I have high hopes for it. I specifically got this tool to help with rehousing this Nintendo Switch, but that's for another day. Today I'm talking about the Fanttik X-H1. Here are some pros and cons I found when using this tool so far that I will dive further into today. This is just a pre-review. Pros: compact and ergonomic design, USB-C charging, and versatile with multiple bits included. Cons: might not be suitable for heavy duty tasks. In the case of what I will be mainly using it for, I'm not sure what heavy duty is for this screwdriver just yet, but when I run into it, I will revisit this screwdriver on a later day. Let's dive into this pre-review. In the box, you will find the mini electric screwdriver, the storage case, 12 precision bits, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. The first thing you'll notice about the Fanttik X-H1 is its sleek and compact design. It fits comfortably in the hand, and the matte finish provides a nice grip, preventing any accidental slips while using. So far, the build quality feels robust, and I will be testing it over time to see if it can withstand regular use without any issues. It includes 12 high quality metal bits covering 6 different categories. These bits are made from coated S2 hardened steel, which I want to see if it ensures durability over long-term use. Despite its small size, the Fanttik X-H1 is a little monster on paper. The motor delivers a surprising amount of torque from what I've experienced with it so far. I'm not sure if there are better ones out there, or most of them are similar, but I got this one in specific because the demonstration on Amazon made it seem as though the precision it offers allows for delicate work on sensitive electronics without stripping screws or damaging the components, which is something I fear to happen whenever I'm breaking down something or I need to take out a small screw like the ones on this Nintendo Switch. The Fanttik is powered by a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery that can handle up to 450 screws on a single charge. For light to moderate use, it easily goes for several days before needing to recharge based on what the specs say. I'm still on the same charge because I don't use this every day, but knowing it holds a long charge, I know I don't have to recharge before using when I need to. I also want to see if it holds a charge when I'm not using over an extended period of time. We will revisit this when I find out, but I'm hinting on a long-term review potentially. It charges via USB-C, and if you own a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer, then you have a charger regardless. Again, the Fanttik X-H1 comes with a variety of bits that covers most common screw types, and the magnetic bit holder ensures that the bit stays in place, making it easy to switch between them. The inclusion of an LED light at the front where the bit is held is a thoughtful addition, providing light for when you are crouched over and blocking out all available light, which is something that I do often if I don't have these bigger lights on. But the magnetic case is nice. It keeps everything organized and in place with a satisfying pop-up mechanism that makes pulling out your tools pretty easy. Operating the Fanttik X-H1 is pretty straightforward. It has a simple forward and reverse button, allowing for quick screw driving and screw removal. The variable speed control is responsive, giving you the control needed for different tasks. Considering its features and performance, I can't deny its value for the price. I don't know why I didn't think of getting something like this sooner. I guess I've gotten far enough down the rabbit hole into camera gear to the point that I'm no longer looking for cameras and lenses. I'm looking for the gear to maintain the camera and lenses and add on the peripherals I need to create, and deep dive into other hobbies that I can use the cameras to document. But the Fanttik X-H1 3.7V mini electric screwdriver is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to not have to worry about finding a small screwdriver in their junk drawer because they barely ever use screwdrivers this small. But it's reliable, versatile, and packed with useful features that anybody who doesn't know how much about tools could easily pick up and use. If you have any questions about the screwdriver, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching while staying awesome. Stay awesome.